Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to make sweet potatoes, candy yams, however you want to say it. Okay, you're going to need some potatoes. Usually the smaller the better. The smaller ones are sweeter. You're going to need cinnamon and you're going to need nutmeg. I recommend only McCormick. You're going to need a whole stick of butter, some sugar. You're going to need some vanilla extract. McCormick. Okay, so we're going to take all these sweet potatoes. We're going to put them in a pot. And then we're going to fill the pot up with water and we're going to put that on the stove. Now we're doing this just to bring them to a boil. So only let them boil for like 2 minutes. Take them off the stove. Put them in cold water. Now, of course, I'm hood. So we're going to take a regular plastic bag and we're going to take it. We're going to start peeling our potatoes. I do this so it's easier to peel them. If you try to peel them dry, sweet potatoes are just the roughest to peel. They are annoying, so I usually boil them first just so I can peel them easier. So basically you're going to take all of the skin off. If you see any of the little, I don't know if you want to call them holes, whatever, they're like black spots, you want to cut those out. And you just want only the potato. That's all you want to be able to see, the orange potato. So as you can see here, I'm just taking all the skin off. Okay, so once we're done taking all the skin off, we are basically going to take a big knife, cut it in half, and then you're going to try to cut them like at an angle, because the way you cut them up now is the exact same way they're going to go in the pan. So you want to try to cut them thin. You want to try to cut them thin so that you can get sugar and everything all over every single one of them. You don't want to cut them too thick because then they're not going to be sweet throughout the entire potato. Then you're going to take the pieces and you're going to fill the pot up with water again. Put the pot back on the stove. This time you're going to let them boil for about a half hour until the potatoes get soft. While they are boiling, I'm going to come over here and just cut the butter into slices. Doesn't have to be specific. You're just cutting the butter into thin slice, not really super thin, but I hope you can see the size that I'm cutting them in here. You just cut the entire stick up, and then we are going to take the potatoes off of the stove. Now I grab the top so that I can drain all the water out without any of the potatoes falling out. Once you do that, you're going to take whatever pan you're going to be baking them in. This is one of the Pyrex pans. I believe it's like, I don't know, 9 by 13, something like that. You take the sticks of butter. This is while it's piping hot because you want all of the butter to melt. So you put the pieces of butter throughout the entire thing. And again, I want to say this and really drive this home. My cooking is not for people on diets, not for people that, you know, trying to watch their weight, because I like what I like. So I take sugar and I put it all over all of the sweet potatoes. I would say I used about 2 full cups of sugar. And that was me just trying to take the clump out of the sugar. I used about 2 cups of sugar. You want to make sure that you coat all of them with the sugar. Once you do that, the sugar should start melting. And then you are going to come in with your vanilla extract. I would say I used about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. I eyeball everything. You're going to take your nutmeg. You're going to coat it with nutmeg. Again, I can't give the exact measurement of how much I use, but you really just want to try to get nutmeg over all of them. Then you are going to go in with your cinnamon. I usually always use more cinnamon than I do nutmeg. So then you are going to take some aluminum foil and you're going to cover this. So you have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to throw these into the oven. They should bake for about, I don't know, about 30 minutes. You take them out. Now this is hot, that thing hot. Okay. So you see me like lifting it up a little bit. You got to be careful because when the steam come up, woo child, that ain't nothing to play with. This is how they should look once they are done. Oh my God, when I tell y'all, my yams is so good. Anyway, thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video. See you in the next one. Until next time, guys. Bye.